my darlings, and welcome back. In today's episode, we're talking about how to guarantee that the money is coming. How do we do it? It's very simple. Very, very simple, actually. And it's a mindset shift. It's a mindset shift that you have to keep edging into every single day until it becomes a standard, until it becomes something you do not have to think about. Okay? Okay. All right. So, let's get ready. This is how you do it, how you guarantee it. Ready? You have to know it's inevitable. It is inevitable. Everything is adding up. Everything you have done up until this point, everything that you will do, it's all adding up to the inevitable outcome that you get to have the money that you want. All of it, not some of it, all of it. It's already done. There's nothing left to do. It's already yours. It's a done deal. And your job is to sit in that knowing, in that place of it's done, it's mine. There's actually nothing left to do because it's already mine, right? And when you truly know it's yours, you don't think about it very much. You don't really have to. You can play around with it, you can feel good about it, but you're not obsessing over it. You're not getting attached. You're not worrying about whether it will come or not. You are in the place of it's inevitable. It's mine. It's always been mine. And it gets to be mine. That's the first thing that I want you to do. Every day, sit in that knowing that it is done. It's already done. It's already mine. It was always inevitable. It gets to be mine. Stay in that place of knowing. And then what I want you to do is I want you to play around with this, not if you're in like a attached grippy mode, but if you get into that place of knowing of it's already done, it's already mine, I want you to start visualizing that you have the money, that it's already yours. You've already got it. You've had it for a while. You've had it for so long that it happened 6 months ago. I want you to visualize that now. And if you find it hard to imagine it being from 6 months ago, think about something that you manifested that already happened 6 months ago. So for example, me manifesting my beach apartment happened 6 months ago. I don't think about it now. I'm not thinking, oh, I wonder if I will get it. I already got it. It's already done. It was already mine. It's happened. It happened. So there's no feeling around it. There's no charge around it. I'm not attached to it. I'm not like, ooh. But did it though? Did it happen? I'm not worried about it. I completely switched from the energy of wanting to the energy of having, or now the energy of had it. This is what I want you to visualize. Imagine it happened 6 months ago. And what have you done with the money since? Has it accumulated? Are you leveling up to a new goal? What beautiful things did you do with it? Is there more money in your savings accounts? Did you invest in something really cool for your business? Did you buy your dream car? Did you invest it? Did you put it, or did you filter it into different areas of your life? Did you have fun with it? Is it still in your life, or is there more? I want you to feel into that. It's done. It already happened. It happened 6 months ago. That, my darlings, is how you guarantee the money will come. Hands down. It's already happened. It happened so long ago. You don't even need to think about it because it was inevitable. It was inevitable that it would happen. So there's nothing to think about because you know it. Just like you know your name, just like you know where you grew up, it is the same type of knowing. It's a done deal. There's nothing more you need to do. Stay in that vibe. Stay in that place, stay in that state, and do not leave it until it's yours. And then you can start focusing on another amount being inevitable. All right, so what I want you to do is please subscribe to my channel. You get weekly amazing updates on money mindset and sales and business. And what I would love to hear from you in the comments below is what is the thing that's inevitable for you? Claim it, own it. Tell me what is already done for you. What amount of money? In what way? What is inevitable? What is already done? What is already yours? All right. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. I will catch you again in another episode.